I'm going to explain the difference between fast and relaxed mode inside of Midjourney. So, we have two modes for image generation, fast and relaxed. Fast tries to give you a GPU instantly. It's our highest priority processing tier, and it's kind of expensive. So what that means is that if you use the fast mode, it's expensive, but you get put first in the queue to use their computers to generate your images. However, relax puts you in a queue behind others based on how much you've used the system. So with relax mode, you still get to create as many images as you want, but you may have to wait behind others in a queue to use the systems. Right now, we give 15 hours per month of fast with the standard plan, and 200 minutes, which equals 3 hours and a third a month with the basic plan. 1 hour is roughly 60 images, which means with the basic plan, you get around 200 images in the fast mode. Whereas with the standard plan, you get up to 900 images in the fast mode. And in my experience, the difference between fast and relaxed mode is minor. However, there is one big caveat, is that you can only upscale to the max currently in fast mode. So you cannot upscale to the highest resolution possible with the relaxed mode. So I'll show you that. So here I am, here's an image that I want to upscale to max. You click on it, but you can see that upscale to max is not available in relaxed mode. But to enter fast mode, you can just type /fast and you'll be in fast mode. And now you'll be able to upscale this image to the maximal. Boom. Up it goes. Now you can also type /relaxed, enter the relax mode. And the other way to switch between these settings is to type in /settings. Press enter, and you'll be able to view the settings that you're in, where you can change from fast to relaxed mode. And with the fast mode, once you've used up your allowance per month, you are able to be billed incrementally for hours on the fast mode. And you'll be able to select certain denominations, $5, $10, and $20 of how much more fast time you want to pay for in that month. But my experience is, fast mode is only really needed if you want to upscale your images to the max. Otherwise, using the relax mode is absolutely fine. If you enjoyed this video, why not check out my course on Udemy? I've created a comprehensive course taking you through every single feature inside of Midjourney. We'll create a lot of AI art together, and by the end, you'll not only have a mastery of Midjourney, you'll have a portfolio of impressive art. So check out the link in the description below. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being here. If you'd like to continue being here, please feel free to subscribe. And if you don't want to subscribe, that's okay too. It was nice knowing you. Have a good life. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching. I'm Samson Bowles. This is Delightful Design. Have a delightful day.